In today's video, we are going to show you how to join the DERIV affiliate program. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, we've got you covered. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website, which is deriv.com/partners. On the top right corner, you will notice that there is an option for you to click the sign up button. All I have to do is now select the country, click the sign up button, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up with your Google account, with your Facebook, or your Apple. But the better idea is if you already have a DERIV account, use the email that is associated with that account and click the next button. Once your application is submitted, DERIV will review your details and approval times can vary, so keep an eye on your email for updates because once you're approved, as you may notice, we can unlock our earnings by having our own referral link in the dashboard. And basically that's it for today's video on how to join the DERIV affiliate program. It's a straightforward process, and once approved, you will have access to tools that helps you track and grow your referrals. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.